Ugly Roof would like to introduce you to our refresh, repair, and restore shingle rejuvenation process that adds years of life to your existing roof while saving you thousands of dollars from a costly roof replacement. Shingles are exposed to extreme heat and cold temperatures. The consequence is a thermal breakdown of the asphalt, causing the shingles to become brittle and fail prematurely. What allows your shingles to stay flexible are the oils and polymers in the asphalt of the shingle. Unfortunately, depending on the area you live in, these oils begin to break down in as early as 8 to 10 years of installation. When the oils break down, just like the cracks in a road creating potholes, your shingles will begin to lose granulation, curl up, tear, and become defective. Fortunately, Ugly Roof has the solution. We use our bio-based, environmentally friendly solution to restore the oils back in your shingles. This solution penetrates through the core of the shingle, which means increased flexibility and adhesiveness. So years of life have been added to your roof. But you don't have to take our word for it. Ugly Roof's shingle rejuvenation process was put to the test. 2 global leaders in materials testing completed an independent inspection of our product, verifying that we had successfully restored a 17-year-old shingle close to new conditions. The results were, number 1, shingle pliability, no failures. Number 2, granular retention, 84% more granular retention than untreated shingles. Number 3, hail impact resistance, no failures. Number 4, waterproofing, 97% better than untreated shingles, and we expect these benefits to last 5 years and even longer. So Ugly Roof's rejuvenation process has been tested, tried, and true. Don't replace your roof, rejuvenate it. It's time you rethink roofing.